Hey everyone, let me add 1 minute. Let me select the setting over here. So let's wait. So let's wait 1 minute. I will start soon. One minute. One minute. So is my sound audible? So wait. Let me share my screen. So 1 minute. Let me share the Firefox. Yeah, that's great. So if you have any doubt, any question, please drop me in a comment section, right? So I think I'm not able to see any chat. Let me finish in 1 minute. So 1 minute. Let me see the someone chat. So let me doc section. So see, I will start soon. This is of day 4 of the Jenkins, right? So ping me in a comment section. I will start soon. So I am waiting for everyone to join here, right? So I am waiting for everyone to join here. So let me do one thing. So let me check. So 1 minute. This is that's good. So so please ping me in a comment section. So I will reply everyone comment. So please ping here in a comment section. So I am waiting for everyone to join here, right? So I will start very soon. so send me in a chat section. So I am waiting for everyone to join, then I will start the very soon. So I am waiting for everyone to join here. So please ping me here in a comment section and I will reply to everyone, right? So this is day 4 of our Jenkins mastery series, right? So I will start very soon. So Deepmala is here. So I am audible to everyone, right? So 2 people have joined here. Hello. So see, so today I will start day 4 of the Jenkins mastery series, right? So you know what exactly I will cover today. So first let me explain you briefly, then I will start, and I am waiting for the everyone to join here, right? Then I will start the entire the day for a demo, and I will perform, and this is not a demo class, right? This is how a real company work actually, right? So I am waiting for the everyone to join here. So we will start very soon. So I am waiting for everyone to join here. So let's wait. So let's wait. I will join very soon. So please forward this link to the everyone who is looking to like learn the everything just like Jenkins, right? So this is a day 4 of the Jenkins mastery series, right? So I am waiting here for the everyone to join here, then I will definitely start very soon. So please share this link to your friend and the colleagues, right? uh, so Neha is here. Hi sir, hi. So please join and ping me in a comment section if you have any doubt throughout the demo, and I will reply to the everyone, right? So I am waiting for everyone to join here, and I will wait 2 to 3 minutes more, then we will start, right? So I am waiting for everyone, then we will start. So please, and someone is not getting link, so let me share. So please start. Okay, I will start soon. I am waiting for everyone to join here, right? So please join here, and I will start very soon. So that's where you will grab the everything. So please join and ping me in a comment section, then I will start, right? So 2 to 3% join yours, and I am getting the response. So hi. So I will start within like 1 to 2 minutes. So I am waiting. I will start very soon. Not one issues. So please share this link to your friend and colleagues, right? So maximum people join in this session. So I am waiting for everyone to join here. So Garima is here. Hi Garima. So I am waiting for everyone to join here, then I will start this demo, right? So I am waiting for the response to everyone, then I will start this like day 4th of Jenkins mastery series. So please forward this link to your friend and colleagues, right? So everyone can join. So let's start. Okay. No worry, I will start, right? So time is going around 10 minutes, so I have wait for everyone to join, right? So no worry, so stay with me till the end. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how the real CI pipeline integration in Jenkins, right? So I am telling you, this is not a demo course, so this is not just printing the hello world, right? This is the how a real company work actually, right? So I will integrate in a default the entire I have already shared on the LinkedIn, right? So I think you see my post before joining here, and I also consider you have watched the day 1 to day 3. If you have not watched still the day 1 to day 3, so please watch this video and watch this live session, and first go through the like day 1 to day 3, right? Then you can definitely understand the what exactly we are doing here in a day 4, right? So I am waiting for here the more people to join, right? So that's where raise the many questions, right? So let's start. Many people will join later. No worry. So see, this is how Jenkins therefore the real world CI pipeline, right? So in a pipeline we will build a front end node and the fast API. So let me put my image in a short 1 minute, so that you can see the maximum of the like that. Yeah, I have shifted my image to the web, right? So they'll see as for I have an the interview for the DevOps engineer this Monday. This session will be helpful for me. Sure. Nobody can reject you in the interview for the Jenkins and the CI/CD pipeline. Believe me, this is your day 4, right? So you didn't watch the like day 1 to day 3. So please watch first day 1 to day 3, right? So this is a day 4, and it will be just like a CI integration, right? In a day 5 I will cover the like of CD. That's where I will create over the like Kubernetes cluster, and that will be the our target server. Whether I can set up on there like a GKE cluster, EKS, or like a in-house Kubernetes cluster. That will be the our target server. So I will use there over the just like a GitHub approach. So that will be pushed our image to target server, right? So no worry, stay with me till the end. By the end of this video you will know the real CI integration, and nobody can reject you in an interview. And today in this session you will be master of the Groovy, how you can write the like any application of Jenkins files, and what you need to do, set in your the mindset, right? So nobody remembered like CI CD the integration the entire step. so everyone can expect you in an interview how you set up your project on a CI/CD pipeline, right? So I will guide you how to answer any question in an interview, right? So drop me in the comment section. Let's start. Then I will start this session very fast. I will not take your much time here, right? So please ping me in the comment section. Let's start. Then I will start the everything from the scratch for the day 4, right? If you have any doubt throughout the demo, please ping me in the comment section. I will reply to everyone, right? So see, first let me show you the entire the what exactly we will set up in a depot, right? So see, what exactly we will set up in a depot. So see, this is a depot pure CI, right? So this is a actual the CI integration. We will build the production style the Jenkins pipeline. So we have written the production styles of Jenkins pipeline. I will tell you the every step. So see what exactly do here, the pull the code from the GitHub web trigger, right, and runs the build for the front end, back end and the fast API, right, front end, back end and the fast API. And this project I have already set up on Kubernetes 0 to hero series in day 3. So this is a LLM based project, right? So that's where I am integrating that project in CI/CD, right? So see, that's where involve the microservices like a front end, back end and the fast API. That's where we will build that code over there, and I will generate those 3 images, right? So see, run the API and run the API check and the unit test, right? So in this CI integration, we will also cover the just API test. If someone will ask you in an interview how you integrate the API testing in a Jenkins CI pipeline, how you can answer that question, that will be covered by the end of this demo, right? And also I have integrated the end-to-end testing there, the UI, and how to install the playwright there over there, and how the playwright will execute over there, right? So entire the things related to the CI part, right? So let's see the next what. So see, you know exactly the keep Jenkins secure that was already done in a day 4, right? And day 4 will be just like a build and the test only, right? And the deployment to the Kubernetes, that will be a day 5. So that will be covered in a day 5. And let me show you the folder structure, right? So see, this is a wrapper structure, right? So Kubernetes 0 to hero series, and this is the day 13 of the GCP LLM cluster. That's where the already uploaded code, the backend fast API, backend node, front end, and that will be of get deployment over there. And this is the Jenkins files, and this is the DB changes related things, right? And this is the test folder over there, that is the API testing, that will be a smoke test, and the UI, and that's where this code is defined. So this is the entire the our application that is already posted on our GitHub repo. If you don't know exactly where you can find this repo, so go on the tag with Diwana GitHub repo, and that let me show you, right? So see, let me drag here. So see, this is the repository. If you are watching the first time of this repository, so you need to do clone or the star over there. So see, this is the Kubernetes 0 to hero series, and I am using the 13. So see, So see, this is of day 13, right? So see, this is the our entire application, right? So front end, back end, and the DB, what exactly I have already pasted there, the entire the code, right? So I will explain you one by one. So let's start and back here the day 4. So see, this is the folder structure over there, and the what the use cases of the everything I have mentioned. So see, this is a backend fast API. See, this is the backend service that will be the API, right? And the front end UI for the application, that will be the front end. And that's in the backend node, there's a Node.js Backend API service, right? So entire the project I have already explained in the Kubernetes 0 to Hero series. So I think if you don't watch the Kubernetes 0 to Hero series, what exactly the entire project, so please watch that video as well, so you will understand how the application will work, right? So I am just integrating the CI part here. So let's start and we'll do the entire step, right? So let me wait. So see, I have already done in the keep this as it is. So what exactly we have done in day 3. So I will just open Microsoft Jenkins, and that our instance is already in a running state. So I will log in my Jenkins and I will perform the day 4 the integration. So I will create the day 4 job over there. So let me first here log in that to Jenkins. So Jenkins.techwithdiwana.com. So see, you know exactly I have set up this Jenkins.techwithdiwana.com in a day 3, right? So I have just saved that instance, and our instance is running now at this moment. So I will create here the day 4 jobs and will perform the entire the CI integration, and you will see the output, the how CI integration will work, right? So see, click here the login. So see, we have already completed the day 3, right? So see, that was run around 1 hours and the 37 minutes. Why exactly this is showing to run 1 hour and 37 minutes ago? Because I have committed the code over the LLM project in Kubernetes 0 to Hero series in the day 13. That's where the webhook trigger and the started that job, right? So that was showing just like run around this hour ago. So ignore it. You know exactly the what exactly you webhook trigger over there. So that's where the job is building. If you get any changes in CI, that's where the started, right? So let me create just like day 4 and we'll start our entire steps. So see, so first let me open the steps. So I will not skip the any steps here, right? That's where you will not confuse, right? And I have already mentioned the everything in the document. That's where you will not get any confusion, right? If you have any doubt, so please ping me in a comment section and I will happy to reply you to everyone comment, right? So let's start here. So see, that was the day 3 goal. You know exactly the Jenkins VM on the GCP. I have already set up Jenkins secure and Jenkins plus HTTPS. So you see our Jenkins is running on the HTTPS, that is a secure connection, right? And port 88 is not public, right? And that was the day 3 part. So I will not explain this step. You need to watch the day 3. I will start from the day 4, right? So see, that was exactly a day 4 CI pipeline from the scratch and the production style. So what exactly you need to do first, you need to install the just like a Docker. You need to install the Docker. Let me something the zoom it here, right? Yeah, that's good. So see, so first first you need to install the like Docker over there. So I have already installed the Docker, right? That was not day 3, that was done in a day 2, but in a at the day 2 our sound is not getting clear, so that's where I have installed the Docker on that VM in a day 3. So anyway, so I have mentioned the scratch step, so you can follow the in the order, right? So first, so if you have any doubt, any question, please ping me in a comment section. You are getting or not my point here, right? So I will reply to everyone, right? So I am just now getting started here, the day 4 part, right? So that's why I am telling you what exactly the step mentioned over there, right? So if you have any doubt, please ping me in a comment section. I will happy to reply you to everyone, right? No worry, I know everyone is getting my point. So see, so need to install the just like a Docker, right, and the Python. So I have already installed, and the npm, right, and the enable the Docker I have already done in a day 3. So if you have done, then that's good. Otherwise you can take and the perform the step. Allow the Jenkins user, right? So what exactly that command is doing? Adding the Jenkins user in a Docker group. So I have already explained in a Linux part what exactly that command is doing, right? Appending group to the Docker, and the user will be your Jenkins. So Docker, in a Docker group, the Jenkins user is added in that command, right? So that's great. So see, this command install Python, Node.js, and the npm and the Docker. So that command will install the entire the four steps and the four utilities over there, right? And you need to enable the Docker sudo systemctl enable Docker. What exactly that means? If you will not enable the Docker, suppose your VM will restarted, then Docker will be stopped. And sometimes interview, like Linux guys will ask you how to just like enable the application and the services to if your system will restarted, that it will be automatically restart. So that's where you can tell them to enable that the Docker and the anywhere the any application, right? So see, enable Jenkins run on Docker. So see, so let me take my VM on the putty, right? So let me share the PowerShell. I will take that VM, right? So let me switch that screen. So what will be next? So see, so verify the Docker version, Node version, and the npm version and the Python version, right? So this is the checklist to. So this is a checklist that will be installed on your the Jenkins server, right? This is the pre-checklist. If you hit that command, the entire the Docker node and the npm will be installed on your Docker on your Jenkins VM, right? So let me take first like our VM. So let me switch to take a PowerShell. That's where you will not confuse, right? So 1 minute, I am switching to terminal. PowerShell, that good. Oh, this is a PowerShell. So let me zoom it here. So see, that will be command I have already show you in the 3. So what exactly that command? That command is taking our VM, right? I am taking the SSH of our VM. That is the variable VM name and the zone, right? So it will be open the putty. So let's wait. So see, our putty is open. Let me switch that screen. So that's where you will not confuse, right? Let me show you the putty. So see, our putty is on. So let me drag it and let me zoom it something more. So see a duplicate and the change setting, and you go on the windows and the appearance. I will change the something bold. Click on change setting. See the size will be 20. That will be so the better to more than 10. Control L to go here. So see, I have taken my VM on the putty, so you just need to run that command, and if putty will install on your local system, that will be prompt by to take SSH, right? So let me hit check the entire version, Docker, Node, npm and the Python. So see, I have copied this. So see our this is our Docker version. See this is a Node like npm and the Python. So see the entire the checklist is installed on my VM. So you need to just put that command, that will be installed the entire the package over there. That is the requirement, right? So see, that is good, and let me check the next. So at the GitHub credential, so we have already added create a Jenkins pipeline. So see, let me show you in a browser what it will be the next step. So I will do everything in front of you, no worry. So see, this is the our documentation. So see, so I have checked the entire version, that is installed. So you need to run this command, that will be installed your Docker, Node and the npm, right, and the Python. So add the GitHub credential on the Jenkins to secure. I have already covered in a day 3 in a day 2 how to add the GitHub credential. So I have already shown in a day 2 and a day 3, so I will not show that here again, right? So I am assuming you know that things as well, right? So see what will be the next. Create a Jenkins pipeline in a day 4. The name will be I will copy that of that thing, right? And see, I will create the job for the day 4, right? I will create the job for the day 4. No worry, I will create, go here the new item. So see, and select here the pipeline, right? Click the OK. So description you can write something there, not an issue. So see, name will be your day 4 CI pipeline. Now type will be your pipeline, and definition you can write the pipeline definition. Definition you can type here as per your requirement. This is not an issue. So it will be defined in a company, that's a requirement of the project, what project you are working, what is the criteria of that project. So this is basically a description, so everybody can understand the what exactly that project is doing, right? So I have just mentioned as per our thought, so you can define as per your choice, and in a company that will be so the entire description of that project, right? So don't worry for it. So see, that is good, and I will not skip any step. So see, so this is the our repo, right? So see, we'll select the repo, that is good, and do not allow the concurrent builds, right? So no worry, and the build trigger. So I will select here the poll SCM. If anything will comment not a poll SCM, GitHub trigger from the Git SCM polling, right? What exactly is that? I have already told you in the day 3, right? So see, that is done. So this is the pipeline script. So our code is on like GitHub. So that we will select the Git, and that's where the our repository URL. So see, that will be our repo URL, right? So I will copy just here and the paste here, right? And the credential I have already saved, that will fetch, right? That's good. And our code is not on master, that will be on main. So I will type here the main. So that is good. Repository browser and the additional behavior. So see, what is next, main, and the script path will be the day 3. So that's where our Jenkins files is, right? Repository URL, Jenkins file, and that's where our Jenkins file, that is not on the Jenkins file, that's where day 3 and the Jenkins file. So we have definition file mention, repo already set, branch is our main, script path is that's your Jenkins file. So I will tell you how to write the Jenkins files, right? No worry, I will tell you the every step. So see, that is good. So see, let me recap one more thing. That is the pipeline script from the SCM. That's where our source code management, right? So it will be fetched from the SCM. SCM will be our Git repository, that will be our repo, and the credential we have already supplied, right? And the branch will be main, and that's where not any additional behavior, script path is there, Jenkins file, save it. So see, we have already configured the day 4. So what exactly will be next, right? So I will change any I will update, like our source code, that will be automatic trigger our the CI pipeline, right? So let me show you, and I will commit something there, so that's where you will not confuse, right? So see, let me switch to my Jenkins file. Okay, 1 minute. Let me open first my VS Code. Let me open my VS Code, and I will commit the something in like our GitHub repo, and that will be automatic trigger about the Jenkins CI pipeline. So let's wait. That will be open soon. Yeah. Let me open the folder of our code, right? And I will commit in front of you. So let me open. One minute. Let me find my code. So see, that's good. Let me open my code. Wait, that's 13. That's great. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me show you the source code. So let me switch to Windows. So see, so that exactly, or day 13 or techwithdiwana.com, techwithdiwana LLM cluster, right? So this is our entire the source code, right? So I will change the minor in the front end. So see index.html. so I am changing something here. So see, I will change here and will save and will commit, right, and will push on our source code. So let me add some minor changes. So what we can change here, so let me add something that will not impact our application. So see, message, that's great. Let me hit to change it something, GCP, that's weird. So let me add the message, right. Let me drag it here. So see, last update via 3. Let me do it for Control S. I have saved it, and let me just commit and push it, right. So let me switch to the git bash. So see, day 1 minute. Let me open. Yeah, that's great. Day 1. So let me switch. That's weird. Day 1. Where gone day 1? So see, let me switch. So see, yeah, that's great. So see, that is the GitHub, right. That is the Git installed on our local system, right. So I have already committed the minor things on my source code, and I will commit and push on the our GitHub repo, right. That's where our Jenkins job will be triggered. So see, so we're gone, that's here. So I will add git add day 13, right. So see, I have added the minor comment over there, right. So I have added git add git commit, and I will write message here, added message in where Frontend, index.html. So see, committed and the push, right. Get push origin where our branch will be main. So see, fatal error, git push origin main. Please sure you have correct access, right. Yes, I have a correct access. ls okay. cd day 13 ls git add no worry, git add, oh my god, let me do here, wait in a space, git commit -m added and fronted front end. So you can just write here the meaningful message, right? Nothing will be commit. So what we can do, so let me open it here. Let me check the changes. So see, 1 minute. So 1 minute, index.html I have updated. Where is the get? So 1 minute I have committed here. Wait. So let me commit it here. ls get add J13 Frontend, right? index.html, right? Get post origin main. You can just pass the message over here as well, not an issue. So every commit will be meaningful, right? So see, that's we're gone. So let me switch to just like a Firefox. So see, our Jenkins should be a start very soon. So see what happened. So see what exactly our Jenkins job is started, right? So see what is going inside here. So I have already told you this is not a demo project. So see, you can see the console output, or you can see the just like a pipeline overview, right? So see what is going here right now. Check out the SCM, check out validate, build. So everything is in progress, right? So let's wait. Once it is done, we will move on the next, right? So see how exactly the CI will work. So see, that is the entire steps mentioned in the every step that is going right now here. So see, this is running. So see, you can see the pipeline view. So backend FastAPI is building here. So that's where the all the entire step will be also here, right? So see, that is running. If you have any doubt, any issues, please ping me in a comment section. I will recap and I will tell you the entire steps, and I have already committed the code on the GitHub and the day for the entire documentation mentioned on the Git, right? So if you have any doubt, and that is also mentioned the entire the how the playwright over there, and how the testing will define the playwright, just like like a CI integration. That's where our the application UI testing and the just like showing the everything in the automation, right? So that's where the Jenkinsfile is working, right? So see, otherwise you can also check from here the console output, right? So let me show you. So in a Jenkins, you can click here and you can see the console output that will show the what exactly is inside the build is going, right? So see, that is running, and you can drop here, right? So see, the entire the dependencies as per requirement of the code and the application, and this is a LLM based application, LLM based project, right? So that will be take a time to building, right? The entire Jenkins files I have mentioned over there, how to like build, how to like Jenkins files working in the declarative way. So I have not used here the scripted. So in the Jenkins files you can check the how the declarative pipeline mentioned there. So I will show you in the last of the videos, and how you can write the entire the pipeline. So if you have any doubt, any question, please ping me in a comment section. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes in a first time. So let's wait. Once it is done, then we will cover the like how you can write like Jenkins files, right? So let's wait. Otherwise you can see like a pipeline view as well. So see, click on the pipeline overview. That's where show the entire steps, right? So see, still our backend FastAPI is running. So see, check out the SCM, that will be check out in 1.2 second, and validate the repo path. That's where time is also showing, and the front end building will be take took around the 10 second. Backend is going right now, and the fast API from last 3 minutes that is working, right? So let's wait. Once it is done, then we will move the next, right? And you will see how the exactly I have integrated the entire step in a CI pipeline, right? And last in the last of the video, I will tell you how you can write the any Jenkins files from the any application. You can write definitely. So see, our application is building right now here. That will be just like generate the three images over there, right? Front end, back end, and the back end fast API. So if you have joined here therefore, so I am strongly recommended you to please watch the day 1 to day 3, then you will definitely understand what exactly I am doing. So see, this is still working, so let's wait. And also you can see what is going right now here, that will be installing the all the dependency, right? So see, all the dependency is going right now to install for the fast API. That will be really take a time. So let's switch to the pipeline overview. That's where we will check where we are, right? So see, it started 6 minutes and 22 seconds ago, and the QA is still waiting, right? So once this is done, you can understand how exactly a CI pipeline working, right? So let's wait. And after once this is successful, then I will tell you how you can write the any pipeline for the any Jenkins files. You can write very easily. And I will also just like correlate with our the Jenkins files and what exactly the syntax of the Jenkins files, right? So see, that is building, right? So let's wait. So it will take some time. So if you have any doubt, anything, so please drop me in a comment section. So see our the API testing is started. What exactly your smoke test, and that will already define in the like our Jenkins file. So everything is going in the process, right? So it is taking some time as more than as usual. So I have already told you this is not a demo project. How this exactly work in a real company. So see, I think this is done right now. So see, that is done. So see, what exactly that is the check out the SCM, that will take a time, validate the repo, and front end Docker build, and the backend the node, and the first API start the first API health check. So you can check the every step. That's where click on, right? So I have click on the check out the SCM. So you see, so see, that's where cloning our repo, that is the Kubernetes 0 to hero series, right? So it will take some time, around 10 seconds. So see our git version, what exactly a git version, that's where defined in a Jenkins file. Git phase, that's where branch, right? And see the checkout step here, right? So see set e echo repo, and that's where the day one day two the entire the repo and showing there, right? The entire the Kubernetes 0 to hero series dot git. So we need to just set the 13 and the GCP LLM cluster. You can see the validate part, that's where I have set, right, in a configuration. So see, that's your peak from here, and the front end build. So that's where the building our the front end. That's where front end Docker build. You can see here took the Nginx Alpine image. So that's where already mentioned in a Docker file to building our front end image, and the tag the images twd frontend ci1. That is the our the CI image, right? That's where our frontage image that's already tagged with a ci1, that's where build first. So that's I have defined the tagging. So this tagging defined as per the company policy in the company requirement. So as per my requirement, I have tagged over there the one ci1, because you know this is a depot, so this is a totally a ci integration, right? So that's where I have set up, right? And see, this is a backend node, right? So backend node, you can see the already mentioned in a Docker file. So that's where, so see a step 7 defined over there. This backend node taken from the node 20 Selenium, pulling that image from the layering, right? So this is the entire step, front end, back end, the entire dependency mentioned in a like a Docker file, right? And I have already built this application in a Kubernetes as well. So see, this is the fast API and the health tag, right? This is a very important. If someone will ask you in an interview how you integrate CI the API test, so that's where you can tell them I have set up the smoke test over there as per our application and the requirement. That's where application will build and will be locally run and will check our application is running or not, right? So see exactly that. So see what exactly doing in this scenario. So see, echo removing the old fast API container, right? So first this is removing it, and starting the fast API container, and that's we are running in a detached mode on the local host 127 900 and 800 port, and that's where our fast API CI1, that is our image tagging, right? So that's where defining a smoke testing, that's where in a health check, right? And this is the smoke test. So see, that's where the API smoke test is starting and will validating that's where running or not, right? That is the fast API health check. This is the fast API health check. That's where just like our first I have just like a set over there to check our fast API health check is working or not, right? So that's where it is taking a time to, I have set the sleep time over there to like around the 5 seconds. That's we are taking a time. Once our the fast API is ready, then will be get a response is okay, right? This is a smoke test and this is the unit test. That's where the mention in a unit test in a playwright. So you see, that's where the checking the unit test playwright to chromium and the UI logging and the UI performance of the application. That's where the default browser will be showing in the installing of the suggested plugins over there. That will be checked through the automation, right? And that's where the image summary, right? So see what exactly our pipeline is building, right? So see, build the first API, the backend node, TWD frontend, and that's where the node, Python, and Nginx that will be used in just like our node slim. That's where the showing from the just like Docker file we have defined to what image used to build, that will be showing as well. So ignore that. So our the image will be the front end, back end, and the fast API, right? So see, that will be the post action, remove, and the fast API. So see, I will tell you one more thing. So see what exactly playwright is mentioned to generate the index.html and the last run job successful. So see, that's where the playwright to the showing here the entire output showing in index.html. So you can check that output of the playwright over there mentioned. So that's where so you can integrate the of CI the entire step, you know what exactly and how this is running. So if you have any doubt, please ping me in the comment section, and further I will tell you how you can write the any Jenkins file, right? So let me show you the a VS code, right? So let me show you the VS code. PowerShell, Firefox, Chrome, Putty, Explorer. 1 minute. So see, that is the VS code, right? So let me open the fresh folder. So see, select me that thing, that folder I have created. So see, I have mentioned the Jenkins file, right? So how exactly your Jenkins file is working? So you need to create a pipeline. So see, you created the pipeline. That's where mentioned in a Groovy, right? So this is working in a Groovy scripting. So I will tell you how you can write the a pipeline of the any application and what you need to do, keep in your mind. So pipeline, so create a pipeline, right? So that's where you can find, and I will tell you the very simple steps how you can write, right? So this is not a big thing, so you will not understand. So see, so that's where the pipeline, right? So you will write the pipeline, and close the braces, that will be prompt to like open and close the braces. So you can take a agent and define the any. If you are using a Docker agent, if you are using some other agent as per requirement, you can define here. So I have clicked the pipeline and will the agent, right? So I have clicked the any agent, right? And the stages over there, right? So you will click those stages, that will be auto prompt over there, right? Stages and close the parenthesis, that will be auto prompt. So you need to keep in mind, so you need to first write a pipeline, then we'll define the agent, then we'll define the stages, right? And inside the stages, that will be defined the stage, right? So type here the stage, right? So steps that were defined in a stage, you will not take any step, so it will define in a single code, right? And that's where suppose first I will check out the code, then where the stages will be like a checkout, not a checkout, just like checkout will be do from the Jenkins. So we will define the build, right? Build, test and deploy, that's where the pipeline in a pipeline, right? So I have defined the build over here and the space open parenthesis and the close, and that's where you will define the step. So see, steps and the open parenthesis and close and the hit enter. So you see the this is the how exactly the Groovy syntax is working. So in this the just like a build, test and the deploy, the entire pipeline you can write, and the like options and the environment you can set as per your the environment. Suppose if you are using the building the staging environment, pre-prod environment and the production environment, that's we are defined in the optional. So let me show you just our the correct Jenkins file. Open folder, download and the let me so see Kubernetes, not a Kubernetes, yes Kubernetes 020, that's where day 13, 1 minute. So select the day 13, don't save. So I am using here the declarative pipeline, right? Not purely scripted. So that is very easy. So every step will be defined here. So see, that is our Jenkins file, right? So see what exactly I have told you and what exactly mentioned here. So see, so I have wrote over here the pipeline agent any options. You can in the option define the time step, right? And the disable the concurrent builds, that's where I have selected, right? See, that is the pipeline. See, this is the environment. So entire the environment I have defined as per the my application, where is my application and where will be its directory mentioned. So see, so root directive will be your day 13 because I am building the day 13. So that's where the define the root directory, that is the path, right? So that is the path, and the front-end directory after the root directory the front-end is mentioned. So see everything in a variable, right? So you don't need to confuse the how long and the how to write a Jenkins file. So you need to just keep in a mind in a pipeline, first you need to define the agent, then you will need to define the like stages over there, and the inside the stages you will be define the stage, and the inside the stage you will define the just like a step. That's where the you can write the entire the Jenkins files. This is very easy, so you can try it and let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt, right? So this is the agenda for the day 4. In a day 5 we will cover the how you can integrate the database in a CI pipeline, and how the DB change will go inside the CI integration. That will be for the day 4. That will be covered in a day 5, and also we will use the sonar cube and the like a sneak integration, and just like the sonar cube and the sneak and the tree for the image scanning, and our tracker server will be a Kubernetes. So that will be last for the day 5, right? So if you have any doubt, so please ping me in a comment section, right? So let's meet in day 5, where I will cover the entire things, right?